Hi friends, welcome to IT Plus videos. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then please do subscribe it now. And today let us look at the free courses offered by the Future Learning platform. So Future Learn is the website name, futurelearn.com. Let's get started. So here we can see new courses coming up very now and then, very often. And see here also world leading universities and organizations have collaborated, and the experts from these are offering all the courses over here. So these courses are equally professional and also by the experts, so no need to worry, you can just go through them. An artificial intelligence course on Microsoft Azure, okay, that is for the artificial intelligence learning students, and professional development courses also. So these are popular nowadays, so they help you to earn an online degree in this platform. And see, there are even top subjects over here. So before getting started to all this, you just need to register for this, and I have already logged in, so I'll get started with this. So once you scroll down at the end of the website, you will get to see this view all free online courses. Once you click that, you will get to see this short online courses, and these all are absolutely free with no cost of money and nothing to pay over here, just absolutely free, and very short duration, like 2 weeks, or most short duration is the 1 week thing. And these all are like for your personal development, and apart from all the subject wise courses, these are for your personal development. So you must try this. You must try this, and you can even earn a degree from a leading university over here. So online degree, that's called an online degree, and this degree can be put into your resumes and CVs, so that your recruiters can recruit you. And see, for recruiting you need the communication and interpersonal skills at work, and also this collaborative working in a remote team, computer programming for everyone. And nowadays it is told that every branch of engineering must know one or two programming languages, so this is recommended for those students. And see, the duration is for only 2 weeks, 2 hours per week, that too. So it is, yes, of course it is affordable. It is not affordable, it is free of cost. So why waste time, just go and enroll in it. And it has a good rating also, 4.6. okay, so you even have this new things, even design computing for 3D modeling, if anyone interested in that, ecology and life. These are all free courses, you can equally go and check for yourself. See, how to get a graduate job, how to create great online content. Nowadays everything is going online, so you can just go through this. How to succeed at the writing applications, be it a perfect CV or any application and online profile when you're applying for a job or a course, any damn thing. So just go through this, and you will find various varieties of different varieties of the free courses. So yeah, so just let's get started with any one of them, and I'll be clicking on the communication and interpersonal skills. So find out more. So let's look what this has got for me. So join now, it has just started. It says, see, learn for free, and digital upgrade is also available. It's totally free, so I just, okay, so email me extra information about this course, and save and go to the course. Once I get into the course, I'll be into my course. And yeah, so this is my communication and interpersonal skills at work. And yes, so it's a great platform. This is just for 2 weeks, and they are even covering the topics which they will cover. Week 1 will cover all these, identifying the personal communication style, exploring different communication platforms, reflect on this. And week 2 also, apply your communication style in the workplace, engage in the challenging conversations with positive outcomes. This is very important. Conversation with people, with your boss, or even with your fellow mates is very important. So yes, reflect on your personal style and technique. Yes, so yeah, just this all is available for free. And see, a downloadable PDF certificate of achievement to just demonstrate your learning. So it's a great thing, right? So let's get started with this. So I hope that my video is helpful to all of you, and you can also go through this great learning website platform, and the link for this will be in my description box below. And thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video, and also please do comment so that I can know what I have done in this. Thanking you.